Okay, so we're gonna go buy a fucking car.
We're gonna go buy Babe's car.
This is pretty exciting. I don't know why the lighting looks so horrible.
I'm excited.
But this is
I'm
so
fucking ready
exciting.
for you to get your car.
It's raining. The weather is just
ugly as hell.
like ugly as shit. Pero fuck it. We're gonna go get this car because this is the car.
I'm ready for you to determine.
Did you check? How far is it?
24 minutes.
24 minutes. Bam. See y'all later.
We'll
Minutes away, you guys. But I don't know.
We're 5 minutes away.
We are 5 minutes away. How exciting. Oh shit. Oh, this trailer. Oh, I hate fucking trailers, man. They're so scary, right, baby?
Look, at least we're passing it, right?
We already passed it. But I'm just ready to get this car.
We are ready, baby.
I'm just so ready. Oh my god.
You were so terrified, but then you
hell yeah. Fuck it. 1 minute away. Excuse my honey's phone. I don't know what the fuck. It's all fucking broken. She needs a new phone. But we are literally 1 minute. Oh my gosh. 1 minute away. Turn with me right here. This is exciting, y'all. Okay, I don't know if we're here or not. Okay, look for the car. Well, it says here, dale más para allá, da vuelta para allá. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Mira, allá está, allá está, allá está, I see it. Oh my gosh, I see it.
It looks better already.
I'm so excited. Holy shit.
Yeah, fine.
Holy shit, you guys, it's right there. It's right there. It's that blue one. Well, you can't even see it, right? Baja el vidrio. Oh my gosh. It's this one, mira. That's beautiful. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. He went to go do some paperwork. Bam. It was raining so ugly, and now look. It is beautiful. I don't know, but we love the car. So we're taking it. Taking it.
Like everything's good,
Everything
right?
is
Like
perfect.
It's understandable. Everything.
It's spacious. It's beautiful. Perfect. I love it. I love you. We have officially bought this car. It only has 86,000 miles. We got it for $4,000. He even left us his car seat.
He's like, I can have it.
He's like, whatever. But you guys, this is beautiful. It's so spacious. I love it. I'm so ready to see the girls' reaction.
Yes.
Because oh my gosh, we needed a new car.
Yes. Check out the
off on my first car ride in my fucking car. Oh my god, this is so exciting, you guys, because y'all know my other car was raggedy as fuck, and it's like, hell yeah, we have a good car, and it's like, hell yeah, we don't have to worry about nothing anytime soon. So it's like, hell yeah, it's a fucking blessing, and I'm so ready to take off. But okay, bye guys. I'm loving this, you guys. It rides so freaking smooth.
Amazing. Maybe we should change that old saying to February.
Look at that. It's right there. It was pretty awesome, babe.
Oh, babe,
I wish I could have been driving with my honey next to me.
I know, I would have been awesome. But it's okay.
So yeah, we're at Walmart and we're gonna get some cash out, and then we're gonna motherfucking buy Ali some food at McDonald's because we gotta go. We gotta go. You like the car? Yeah. What do you think?
Dang, what time is it?
What do you think? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me.
I think I hear her. I think I hear her.
You found us? You found us?
Hi, mommy. You like it?
Love.
You love it? You love it?
Yeah. Today?
Man, I'm so fucking mad.
I'm so mad I didn't even record.
Man. You like it, Chels?
You like it? I'm so pissed.
Me too.
I thought I was pushing the record.
Is this recorded though?
Oh, that was recording, but